Well, David, what's the art of being a world-class Subbuteo player?
Lots of practice, being keen, and good competition against good players.
Now, a lot of people looking in may not know how table football works. What's the game all about?
Well, you flick the players at the ball and work your way upfield, just as in association football, and try and score.
Now, you've mentioned competition. How many people in Wales play this game? Is that known?
About 200 in the Welsh Association, but many more aren't in leagues, and therefore we don't know how many do actually play in Wales.
Do you think it is a growing sport, a pastime?
Yes, it is. They're putting it on a par with table tennis at the moment. There's about 2 million play it, they reckon.
So now, of course, all your attention focused on Munich, the World Championships. Have these ever been held before?
No, never before.
Do you know how many countries you're going to be up against there?
23.
From all over the world?
Yeah, from all over the world, yes, including Australia and a few of the eastern countries. Yeah.
Very difficult, I suppose, to say what your chances are, but do you feel fairly confident?
Well, I'll either win it or I won't.
Well, that's a fairly safe bet, I think. Do you think this is the sort of game that might appeal to frustrated footballers who can't make it on the field and turn to this as a substitute?
Well, they could get frustrated with this game as well, so I wouldn't tell them to take it up.
Obviously, you get a lot of practice. How many hours a week do you think you put in?
I'll say about 3 hours, that's including games.
Now, you're obviously a young man. Is this a game for young men?
No, it's not really. You know, everyone thinks that Subbuteo table soccer is a game for kids, as they say. But our secretary around here, he's 30, 40 now, I think, and about the average age in Wales is about 24, something like that.
So it's a game you can progress at as you become older. It's not something you retire at 21.
No, you don't go over the hill at all either.
Well, I'm sure we wish you all the very best of luck from Wales, David, and if you think you can stand the competition, I'll have you a little game.
Okay, I'll take you on.
Fine. Right, we better toss up to start, shall we, if you'd like to call, David?
Tails.
Heads it is, so I'll kick off. Might be my only chance to get in your half. What's your favourite team, by the way? Do you have one?
Liverpool.
Oh, they're not doing badly, are they?
No.
There we are. All set?
Yep.
Fine. I think it caught him on the way through.
That's right. It's your ball.
It's mine. Right. Now, what are the chances of scoring from here? Oh well, good effort. How much does this pitch cost to set up, David? It looks rather elaborate.
£15 altogether.
Yeah. Is this the Wembley of North Wales?
Yeah, well, everyone reckons it is.
Do they? Why is that? Because of the surface or the lights and facilities? What?
Mainly because of the surface. It's very flat.
Specially ironed, is it?
Well, especially brushed.
Oh, I missed again. Oh dear, I fear the worst here. Yes, I'm one down, David.
From 1-0.
Munich, here you come.
Yes.
Jolly good.